Hi, in part 1 we talked about what qualifies as PII and why it matters. But here is the real challenge. PII doesn't come with a warning label. It quietly hides in our daily workflows where nobody is watching.
If there's one department that handles PII all day long, it's HR, human resource. From the moment a candidate applies for an interview to the time an employee exits, personal data is involved through every step of the process.
It starts with resumes. Resumes actually contain a lot of PII, such as names, email address, mobile numbers, in some cases date of birth, and things like LinkedIn URLs. After someone passes the interview, screening happens, which also involves handling a lot of PII, such as details of past employment, education records, background references, and background checks. The employment contract process also involves exchange of a lot of PII. Basic information of the candidate has already been obtained in the screening phase. Now, the emergency contact details, the bank account numbers, and the residential address is also obtained. The employment contract per se may contain name, age, address, and compensation information.
Now imagine an employee applying for sick leave and submitting their medical certificates or reports as part of their leave records. That's a highly sensitive personal data. In fact, some privacy regulations also qualify your compensation structures or performance evaluation records or appraisal letters as PII. When employees leave, documents like full and final settlements, resignation letters, or feedback records, or their relieving letters can also contain PII. But if you think PII is just an HR issue, think again. PII handling may also happen behind the scenes in admin, IT, and finance.
The admin department maintains records that are necessary for administering the company, which includes maintaining visitor logs, vendor registers, also courier logs. They also take care of maintaining and issuing ID cards to the company staff. Taking care of CCTV footage and monitoring is also their responsibility. All of that is PII. The IT department touches a lot of PII. It can include system logs, user access logs, and authentication trails. The backups and staging environment, which is also managed by IT, can often contain PII. It can so happen that real user records get backed up or get copied back into these environments without appropriate masking. Many records maintained by IT department for regulatory compliance or for any other reasons, for example metadata such as IP addresses or MAC addresses or login timestamps, are all PII.
The finance team also manages personal sensitive data through multiple types of data such as payroll, salary information, or bank details, tax IDs, or reimbursement slips, invoices that the finance team raises, etc. And when these files are shared over email as an unprotected Excel sheet or PDF, that's an easy leak waiting to happen.
To recap, all supporting functions such as the HR, admin, IT, and finance work on PII all day long, and it is time that they are brought into the privacy conversation.
In the next video, let's explore how PII flows through customer-facing functions like sales, marketing, and customer service. Stay tuned, see you soon again, and thank you very much.